DeWalt is changing the way work gets done with innovation for electrical trade.
It's fast. It gives you a clean cut.
Unit can strip from number 6 all the way up to 750 MCM copper and 900 MCM aluminum cable. Just apply a little bit of force onto the cable. You see, that quickly I can effectively strip the insulation off the cable and I don't damage the material at all.
Strip cable quickly and cleanly every time. No knife needed.
This is the coal bar hammer. At first glance, it looks like a regular hammer. And then you open it. That's right. Open it. At the flick of a switch, you unlock the patented gear system, and the coal bar hammer opens up and locks into place from 0 to 180 degrees. At 180 degrees, you've got a full crowbar. 90 degrees, it becomes a square. And then you've got everything in between for angles. At the touch of a button, the coal bar hammer separates into the ultimate demolition tool. Now we're talking. Why turn a hammer into a crowbar? The question shouldn't be why. You get the picture. Because it uses a standard 1/2-inch drive to connect the head and claw shafts, you can use it as a socket wrench. It even has an etched ruler for quick measurements. By the way, did I mention it drives nails?
The Pivot Ladder Tool from ProVision Tools. The Pivot levels an extension ladder in seconds, providing you a quicker, safer way to work. Pivot employs hundreds of rubber gripper feet, which keeps the pivot from slipping, and its non-skid material helps keep the foot of the ladder secure. Chores being so risky? The Pivot Ladder Tool adjusts to varying degrees of uneven surfaces, yet has no moving parts. It's easy to set up for all those hard-to-reach projects around the house. It's portable. Now you can work in all those awkward, hard-to-reach places with ease. For your scaffolding needs, secure a second Pivot Ladder Tool over the ladder rung, and you have a convenient walkboard support. Pivot has a duty rating of 500 pounds. Just nail it securely under the shingles and secure a section of your ladder. It also works with a Pivot Ladder Tool.